Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, y'all, I decided to go for a City of Atlantis, I don't know, kind of look, y'all. Something out of the comfort zone, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's get into this video. I will share with you all the deets on how I achieved this look. So let's get into it. Okay, so this hair is from Lwigs.com, and this wig already came toned up, y'all. So inside, it's a full lace wig, actually, so the density isn't too thick. As you can see, we've got knots all the way through, and it's already been toned, so it's a very nice, icy, beautiful blonde. Now, you guys know I love me some roots, okay? So I had to go in with the 7B from Color Charm, and I'm going to go in and just kind of shadow the roots a bit all the way throughout, just because I feel like the straight blonde on me is just going to be too harsh, and I'm not going to be feeling it. So I'm using that with 10 volume developer, and I'm just going in with my small brush, and I'm just applying this around the roots all over. So here I'm just kind of going through, making sure that I've covered everywhere, double checking my work, and I've let her process for about 25 minutes. So after I washed her out, it was time to put her on, honey. Oh, okay. Now, you guys, this is a big change for me, you know, so I was like, I'm not sure about this, but I definitely knew I wanted City of Atlantis bangs. But do you see the dimension that when you have the roots that it gives? It just made me feel more comfortable, and I know it's not natural, but y'all, it just gave me the feeling of dimension and like real hair somehow. You know what I'm saying? Comment below if you're here for the dimension. So we're going to divide this off, and we're going to create a little triangle section in the front because we are going for the City of Atlantis look, honey, and we're going to have some bangs to play with. So I'm dividing it up, as I said, and then we're going to spray it with some water. This is going to help me have a little more accuracy, catch those little flyaways, and keep the hair kind of straight so I can get a nice, accurate cut. And then I'm going to use the razor comb. Well, first, sorry, I'm going to divide this up into sections, subsections within my triangle. And we're going to use a little razor comb and the scissors to get the desired look that we want. And as you guys already know, no look is complete for me, y'all. Oh, without some earrings. Okay, let's put these earrings on. You guys see these earrings probably too much, but they're honestly one of my favorites that I got from Forever 21 because I go with a million things. Comment below, y'all, and let me know. I started playing around with this. I was like, okay, what would this look like if I did a little tuck behind the ear? Okay, let me see. And then I was like, oh, what if I did like a little half up situation? No, I wasn't feeling that. But I really liked a low pony. I love the low pony, y'all. Okay, this is kind of cute. Like, what do you guys think? Comment below. It is definitely out there, and I know it's not for everyone, but I had a lot of fun with this look because honestly, I loved the movie The City of Atlantis, and y'all, those people, they inspired me. Like, I was just like, bet, So I felt like one of them, you know what I mean, in real life. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. I love you guys. You, I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.